How to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. Let's get started. First, check performance usage. Right-click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and go to the Performance tab. Keep an eye on CPU, memory, and disk usage. If any of them are constantly spiking, it's sign your system needs optimization. Next, perform a clean boot. Open System Configuration by typing msconfig in the search bar. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Now go to the Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager and disable all third-party apps like Discord, OneDrive, Skype, etc. Click Apply and restart your PC. If performance improves, the issue is with startup apps or services. Next, turn off memory integrity. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Now head over to the option Windows Security, Device Security, then Core Isolation. Turn off memory integrity. When it adds protection, it can drastically slow performance, especially during gaming. Next up, disable unused permissions. Back in privacy and security, disable unused features like location, camera, microphone, voice activation, email, messaging, and radios. Also turn off permissions under speech, typing, feedback, and diagnostics. Next, clean storage and temp files. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and turn off Storage Sense. Then manually delete files from temporary files, downloads, and other folders you don't need. Disable visual effects. Open System Properties by typing sysdm.cpl. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance but enable these three options for usability. Animate windows when maximizing or minimizing, so thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts. Next, uninstall unused apps. Head to Settings, then Apps, then click on Install Apps. Remove bloatware and unused programs like 3D Viewer, Feedback Hub, Mail and Calendar, Maps, Clipchamp, Movies, and TVs. Lastly, disable unnecessary services. For that, open services. Now, head towards the option like Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BitLocker, Bluetooth, Connected User Experience, and Telemetry, Cryptographic Services. Now you'll need to disable these options. And that's it. After following all these steps, your Windows 11 PC should feel noticeably faster and smoother. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.